everyone, this is Dr. Liv with New Insight, and thank you for joining me in another video. In today's video, I would like to talk to you about being triggered. Being triggered is when we feel a way, some type of way, or we're bothered or upset about something. And many associate a negative connotation to being triggered. Even in mental health, I have seen clients and patients stop their treatment because they've been triggered. So let's examine this concept more closely. When you're triggered, this can represent a feeling of disrespect or offense. And although your feelings matter and they're valid, they don't always represent the truth. So just because you feel offended or disrespected doesn't mean that you have been. Oftentimes we feel triggered when confronted with something that touches a sensitive or vulnerable issue for us. It could be something we're self-conscious about, ashamed or embarrassed about, feel guilty about, afraid, nervous, worried, or something we know is the truth and we're not ready to confront it or change it. And when triggered, it's important to reflect on why you feel triggered. Ask yourself, is someone being malicious and disrespectful, whether intentional or not? You have the right to feel whatever emotion you feel, but ask yourself, is the feeling based on fact or opinion, fact or a feeling? Being triggered can be the first step towards positive change and growth. It can move you out of your comfort zone, push you to confront what you've been avoiding, and can lead to that aha moment with renewed clarity and perspective, greater knowledge, understanding, and insight. Being triggered can lead you in the direction needed to reach your goals or change your life for the better. And yes, it will be difficult and uncomfortable. In my videos, you often hear me describe the DOC acronym for behavior activation and forming new habits. Anytime we're trying to learn new skills, for example, change mindset and behaviors, we will have to do things that are different, opposite, and challenging from our usual behaviors. This is a part of self-growth and self-development, so don't try to avoid it. Even if you've had unfair and unfortunate circumstances in life that weren't your fault, this doesn't mean there aren't lessons to learn or changes to make in your life. And by doing so, this isn't a guarantee that you will never have problems, because that's unrealistic. However, you will have the psychological flexibility to better cope, manage, and make better decisions. So don't just stop at being triggered. Take accountability and go further. Examine why you're triggered and be bold enough to ask yourself the hard questions, face the truth, and call it like it is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.